So guys, right now we are at the LEGO showroom which is opened recently at Dubai Mall. Today is the opening, and the most important thing which we are talking about is the LEGO Minifigure Factory. And right now I have a person from LEGO.
Hi, how
From
are you?
missing. Good. And she's going to help me to create my own figurine with it. Yeah. So can you please proceed? So what's the process?
Okay, sir. So basically, we have this is the first time in all UAE that you will find the Minifigure Factory. And here, this is the box. And what is the idea? You can make your own design. You can personalize, especially when you want to give for someone else. So what we will do now is we will write the name.
Okay. My name is Ranbir.
Okay, Ranbir.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Ranbir, perfect. We will start. So now, when we choose the name, then we can basically, now we will make the design for the torch, okay? We will start with the front line, and you can choose here which design do you want for the front. So
Okay.
we have all of these for girls, for boys. If you want something especially any color standard.
Give me red.
Red one?
Yeah.
Okay, which one? In the
Uh,
right side or left side?
this is a guide stuff, right? Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now, what we can do is, would you like to draw something? It's a good
Okay.
question, right? If you want to draw something,
So
you
I'll-
can do it.
So I'll draw
Let's do
something.
it.
So I'm drawing something over here.
In the side that you want, exactly how it will make. Perfect. Now what we will do is there is options also in case that you want to add stickers. So we have for birthdays, all of these designs like this. Would you like to add anything?
Uh,
Something
Dinosaur?
very funny?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Done. Where do you want to put the dinosaur? Here?
Maybe near the pocket area.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah.
This size is okay or you want to put
Yeah, the size is
This
fine.
is okay.
Okay, perfect. Now, there is an option also in case that you want to write anything, any message, your name, or something else.
This will come at the back or at the front?
In front. Now we are making the front side.
Okay.
You can choose the color also.
Okay. So
Critic
I'll-
reviewer.
Huh?
Critic reviewer.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
There is two options like this and also here.
That's nice.
Yeah,
That one
yeah,
is
better.
nice. Do you want to keep it in this color or you want to
Red.
change it?
Red. But it's already
But
wearing a
the
red shirt.
Yeah, it's already
So white.
Then put it white.
White.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, perfect. Where do you want to put the name?
Maybe near the belt
Bottom.
belt line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
In this size or you want to make it low? Less.
no, this is okay.
This is okay? Okay, sir. Perfect. So now, this is the front. Now we will go for the back side.
Okay.
You want to make here also? You can choose which color.
The back side.
Yeah.
Let's stick to red again.
Okay, perfect.
And-
you want to...
Right. I want to write on top of the right. Okay, right
Yeah,
here.
this is a painter.
Painter. So I don't want to
You want
paint.
to type or-
I want to
Okay.
type.
Okay.
So I'll write here.
Okay, like this, right? In this
I think so. I
color?
need a space here.
Okay. Okay, let's...
Space. Caps. Caps is there.
Here.
This one. That's it.
Which color? In...
Red is to make it into again white.
Okay. White. Perfect.
Okay.
So like this?
Reduce it a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want in the middle?
Lift it down. That's it.
That's perfect?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So, like this in front, like this in the back. back side. Are you okay with this?
Yep.
Okay, now we will select it.
Okay.
This is how it will print.
Okay.
And then we'll print it. And with this box, you can go for the minifigure factory. This is the printer. You will find your good name there, and they will print it for you.
Great.
Okay?
Thank you very
This is for
much.
you. You're
So,
welcome.
so guys, right now, a figurine of mine at Lego has been created. Let's see how does it look like. And thanks to my friend out here to help me out for creating the figurine. So now let's get to the factory and see the final product. So guys, after the printing, it goes down into the oven. That is for securing the color and everything. And the oven is done. And right now, here is my name.
That's mine.
Okay.
Sorry.
Now the
Thank you.
body's been printed. And my friend here is going to open it up and remove it off.
Which one does?
No, this one.
This one.
Okay. So that's the body which has been created right now. And I have to go for the accessories and other addition, the head and all. Okay, add that. Guys, right now my body which has been printed right now, and again with the help of my friend, she's going to help me to find the proper accessories. Now let's look for the head.
Okay, so here we have options.
Okay.
For example, we have like this with the mustache.
Okay.
Or there is here another option. Like
Smiley one, that's
this.
nice.
This one do you like?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So, okay, now we have. Which color the hair do you want?
Black.
Black? Perfect. This
Does it
one
look
is
good?
no,
Okay.
it's not matching that much.
Yeah.
I think. Here we have the orange.
Okay,
one
orange also will do. So
Can be.
here we add the legs to it.
Okay, perfect. And also you can choose between hair and cap also. So let me kill these accessories.
So guys, right now with the head and everything ready, the legs, orange legs and everything is ready, and this looks nice. Can you turn it around please? And that's my name mentioned out there, Tech Guy. That's it. Looks nice with my signature and the name criticreviewer.com. That's great. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome.
do